Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, November 18th. I was looking for unchanged to higher in the NASDAQ market. Well, we got higher, but look at the way it behaved. We got high enough to find sellers, and that was what would imply for today's action. Selling. We'd look for a down day in that market. I'm skeptical of really kind of a dramatic move lower, and I'm really looking for a sideways move in that market. In the currencies, let's check out that euro. And the euro here, as you can see, has continued lower. And the bullish level has also been moved lower in that market. It's now at 107.20. It's been lowered over here in the Swissy. That's down at 99.30. And our friend Mr. Yen, the bullish level in that market is at 88.90. Aussie dollar trying to firm up. That's what we're seeing. Can we get the follow through? That's the issue. And right now, I think we have a chance to do that. Consistency of behavior here, right where we found all that selling, big challenge for this market. It has to really get above 65 if we're going to get some kind of follow through, and we need to see it stick. Next 3 days, very important for the Aussie dollar. British pound, sideways move. I'm looking for more of the same in that market. Canadian dollar, I feel the same with crude oil bouncing back and forth. I don't see a strong reason to be a buyer or seller of that market. Interest rates. Well, short end of the curve hasn't done much since that big rally break kind of thing. And I don't expect it to do much. I'm looking for a sideways move there, but I think the notes are very interesting. They're a mirror image of what we saw in the stock index, and that would imply that this market may be giving us follow through to the upside, but I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for a down move in our friend the 10-year notes. Now, gold. Well, gold continues lower because there's no reason for it to stop. Although I thought we might have a chance, there's no follow through to the upside, and so we're looking for continued downward pressure in that market. Crude oil, I'm just not positive on this market, and I'm looking for a down day today in that market. The soybean market, I'm looking for unchanged to higher. This is a market that wants to go higher. I don't think it has the fundamental support to do that. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again tomorrow. And in the meantime, take care.